I'll start with the current state of the Indian startup ecosystem. Okay, so India's startup ecosystem is growing rapidly. I mean, it is growing, so fast. If I tell you the number, so if in India, you have to register the startup with the government of India. In 2016, it was like 450 startups which were registered with India, and currently it's 99,000 startups which are registered. So you can see in just short span of time, the startups are increasing. New startups are coming every day, and India has become, third largest startup ecosystem after US and China. So it is pretty, active. India is having a kind of active startup ecosystem here. So yes, startup ecosystem is growing rapidly here. But if I talk about this global recession thing, so you see, Indian startups are largely, funded by, VCs and, private equity investors. And these VCs are just not based out of India; they are based out of global. I mean, they are from US, they are from Europe, everywhere. So, but this global slowdown has, given a thing like funding winter thing is coming up due to this global recession. So I think the fundings in the startup ecosystem is squeezed, valuations are going down, but I think this is all temporary and market driven thing. But we are actually very bullish on the Indian startup ecosystem, and we are expecting the growth in the Indian startup ecosystem. Just it was there in 2022 and 2021, where we have 100 plus unicorns, and the funding was very good. Now, investor perspective, I say that now, see, when earlier, investors were looking out, revenue growth, user metrics growth, right? How many users you have, how much your revenue you have. Now the investor perspective changed to this cash flow. Do you have positive cash flow? Do you have EBITDA? So this is the change we have seen, and due to which fundings are becoming little tight. But